Omelette made this way really goes well with rice. Spicy and sour fried egg with crunchy sauerkraut in every bite is a delicious home-cooked dish. Hurry up and learn to follow my channel and save recipes. Otherwise, I'm afraid you won't be able to find me. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's fried egg together. Sour vegetable, eggs, chili potty, diced sour vegetables. Chopped chili potty. Beat eggs until frothy and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chili potty. Add sour vegetables. One teaspoon soy sauce. Pour egg liquid. Flip fried egg. Delicious sour vegetables omelette is done. Yummy! The sour vegetables omelette has a slightly spicy taste, and the crispy sour vegetables is really delicious with rice. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.